Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I got a very nice 2012 Keystone Cougar model 31SQB. This thing has the Polar package on it, so this is a true four-season camper. Awning is in excellent condition, outdoor speakers, aluminum wheels. It's got double door entry on it, guys. Plenty of storage all the way around. Spare tire. Double slide out over here, guys. Paint and body is in excellent condition. Slide toppers are in excellent condition as well, guys. Let's get inside and check this thing out. I think you guys are really going to like this one. All right. So, as soon as we walk in the main door, to your right is your private bedroom. This has sliding pocket doors, flat screen television, plenty of storage all the way around, guys. There's even storage underneath the bed as well, and you've got lighting back there as well, guys. So we're going to come back to the front. We've got another flat screen television entertainment center over here with more storage. Here's your control panel, very easy to operate, guys. Ice cold air condition. We've got two recliners over here, guys, with more storage in the slide out. We've got a U-shaped dinette. This also turns into a sleeper. We're going to spin around. More storage. This thing has upgraded or optional upgraded cabinetry, guys. Excellent condition. As you can see, 3-burner stove over here with a little oven, microwave, and hood. Very large single bin sink as well. So we're going to move forward, and we have the restroom, vanity, medicine cabinet, and a very large shower and tub with a nice skylight and a huge linen closet in here as well, guys. 4 doors, power roof vent as well. We have another closet right here as we transition into the bunkhouse, guys. Check this thing out. Large closet here in the slide. You've got 1, 2, 3 bunks and a pull-out sofa. Also, another flat screen television and storage, guys. Make sure, check this thing out, guys. This thing is in awesome condition. No leaks, no soft spots, clean title. This thing is ready to go. My name is Chris. We are CGM Auto Brokers. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. My personal number, you can reach me at 704-620-8388. 704-620-8388. Visit us online as well, guys. www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, we could help with financing as well. We also offer transport and delivery service, guys. This thing is super nice. Don't miss it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please like, please subscribe. Remember, guys, most importantly, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. Bye.